Holy diesel. You're polluting, man. Oh yeah. You're not gonna beat me, man. Perfect. That was perfect. Shit. Where am I, brother? Ah, sweet. Sweet, dude. I always get like trapped in the darkness. I feel like that meme when you're wearing a dark visor at night.
Damn! I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
It's legit me, dude. Like, I can't see shit. I can, but I can't, you know? I wish I could see more, but I see enough to be able to, like, see a little bit. No, I can't see shit. I am literally going around here blind, guys. Give me a like for driving around without being able to see. Church. Oh shit. Holy fuck, bro. I wasn't kidding, guys. That was just a pure example of me not just being able to see at all, you know? I can't see. All of my heart, Dutch Bros, that's just smacks. I'm definitely an investor in Dutch Bros, so you guys, if you guys have ever seen a Dutch Bros and never tried it, dude, I'm telling you, go there, drink it up, and then figure out the next time you're gonna go. Just saying.